Verifying your identity on Snapchat can sometimes be challenging, especially if initial attempts fail. Follow these steps to successfully navigate the verification process. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interfere with the verification process. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Step 2. Update the Snapchat app. Make sure you are using the latest version of Snapchat. Go to your device's app store, search for Snapchat, and update it if necessary. An outdated app can lead to verification issues. Step 3. Clear app cache. Clearing the app cache can resolve many issues. Go to your device settings, find Snapchat in the app list, and select the option to clear cache. Restart the app and try the verification process again. Step 4. Use alternative verification methods. If the standard verification fails, explore alternative methods such as using a different phone number or email address associated with your account. Follow the prompts to receive a new verification code. Step 5. Contact Snapchat support. If all else fails, reach out to Snapchat support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue and any steps you have already taken. They can offer specific guidance tailored to your situation. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully verify your identity on Snapchat. If you encounter further issues, don't hesitate to seek help from Snapchat support team.